We did something special. We took our client on an exclusive behind-the-scenes tour of one of our real-world installations, a facility right here at home, where our equipment is already running in full production. And the reaction? They were blown away. Seeing the machinery live and in action gave them something no brochure or presentation ever could, a true feeling for how it all works. Now, the parts they make there are automotive rear axles, which are different from our clients' workpieces, but here's the thing: the production logic, the painting process, the operational flow, identical. But we didn't stop there. Next, we're taking them somewhere even more exciting, straight to our own manufacturing plant. And before you picture a room full of people snapping pieces together, let me stop you right there. This is not an assembly line. This is a full-scale, full-process manufacturing facility, and today, you're going to see exactly what that means. Let's go.